Most of cryptocurrency runs on Web3. Cryptocurrency is beyond the currency. Do you get? Crypto in itself is a technology. It's just the way we have the industrial age, and then we move from the industrial age, we move to the 20s where you have computers and internet. Some of us, when we go to school, there was no internet really, and then we moved up to the point where you have Google, Gmail, you can send mails, you can do everything. And then now there is a new technology that is called Web3, and that's where you have the cryptocurrency platform running, which is like the blockchain. Web3 gives you the chance to do and deliver products without limitations of some regulations. Think technology when you think about crypto. Don't think coin, don't think money. I mean, the coin part is mostly like the reward part or the fundraising part. And that's one thing I want to talk about also. One of the advantages of cryptocurrency and crypto technology is fundraising for your business. That's if you're in the right community, because there are good communities in the crypto space that help their community members to achieve their goal.